Microsoft Copilot just got an upgrade called Copilot Tasks, and when I tell you what it can do, you're going to understand why this is a massive deal. Copilot can now create a plan, open your web browser, use your apps like Outlook and Google Calendar, generate documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, and schedule all of that to run automatically whenever you want. That's not just an AI assistant anymore. That's an AI employee. And I want to break down exactly what this means for you and how you can use it right now to save time, automate your work, and grow your business faster. Well, Microsoft just looked at that and said, we're doing that too, but we're building it directly into Copilot, and we're connecting it to every Microsoft and Google app you already use. That's the game changer here. Feature one, it creates a plan. You give Copilot a goal. Let's say your goal is to grow the AI Profit Boardroom community and get more members this week. You just type that in. Copilot breaks it down into a step-by-step plan, what needs to happen in what order, what tools it needs to use. It builds the whole roadmap automatically. Feature two, it uses a web browser. This means Copilot can actually go out onto the internet and do research for you. It can pull information, check competitor websites, find data, read articles, and bring it all back to you in a format you can use. So for example, you could say, research the top 5 AI automation communities online right now, and give me a breakdown of what they offer, what their pricing looks like, and what gaps exist that the AI Profit Boardroom could fill. And Copilot goes off and does it. This is where it gets really interesting. Copilot Tasks can plug into Outlook, Google Calendar, and more, which means it doesn't just tell you what to do, it actually goes and does it inside your tools. It can send emails, it can create calendar events, it can schedule follow-ups, it can update your calendar based on a plan it just created, all without you lifting a finger. Think about how many times a day you open Outlook and spend 20 minutes just on admin emails. Copilot handles that. You just review and approve. We are in a moment where AI is moving from assistant to agent. That's the shift. An assistant answers questions. An agent takes actions. ChatGPT is an assistant. You ask it something, it tells you something. You still have to go and do the thing. An agent actually does the thing. Copilot Tasks is Microsoft betting everything on agents. And they have a massive advantage because they already own the productivity tools, Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, PowerPoint, and now Copilot is woven directly into all of them. The people who win with AI are the ones who use it to multiply themselves. You're not being replaced, you're being upgraded. Right now, there's a version of you that has 1 brain, 2 hands, and 24 hours. That version can only do so much. With tools like Copilot Tasks, there's another version of you that has an AI running research, writing docs, scheduling tasks, managing your inbox, and generating content ideas all at the same time, while you focus on the high value stuff only you can do. This is the difference between an AI tool and an AI system. Anyone can use AI to do a task once. You type a prompt, you get a result, great, but that's still you doing work. You still had to go and use the tool. Scheduled tasks means the AI does work without you initiating it. You set it up once, it runs forever, and the outputs just appear. That's what Copilot Tasks is building toward, a system where your AI layer is always running in the background, always producing, always moving things forward, even when you're asleep.